Human circulatory system is closed circulatory system. Closed means blood flows in the vessels or tubes. So it is called closed circulatory system. Means blood does not flow in the whole body cavity. It flows in the vessels. So in human blood circulatory system there are three kinds of vessels. These vessels are called arteries, veins and capillaries. So first we will learn about arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. Arteries carry pure blood. Pure means oxygenated blood. They bring this oxygenated blood from the heart. And in the body, the largest artery is aorta, which is the very first artery which arises from the heart. Arteries are valveless vessels, means they don't have valves, but the blood flows with jerk and high pressure in the arteries. Arteries do not have valve because valve can inhibit the pressure of the blood, or they can decrease the pressure of the blood, and the blood flows with jerk, and because of this jerk we feel the pulsation and the beating of the heart in our arteries. Lumen is the gap in the vessel in which the blood flows, that is called lumen. The lumen of the artery is small because blood has to flow with high pressure, and the wall of the artery is very thick because blood has to flow with high pressure. Arteries divide into arterioles. Arterioles are the smaller vessels than the artery. And again, arterioles divide into capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest vessels. The same way we will see about the veins. Veins are the blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood, and they carry blood towards the heart. From different part of the body, blood is brought into the heart by vessels. Those vessels are called veins. Veins collect the blood from capillaries, or you can say capillaries collect the blood that is deoxygenated from cells and tissue. These capillaries pour their blood into venules. Venules pour their blood into veins, and veins transport this blood into the superior and inferior vena cava. Finally the blood is brought into the auricles, right side of the heart. So veins are the vessels which have valves. The pure blood supply should not be stopped, and deoxygenated blood, if it is going back, it should be prevented by the valves. So the valves are present in the veins. Capillaries do not have valves. Arteries are deeply situated in the body, but the veins are superficial in the skin. The veins can be seen or observed on our skin. In our hand we can observe. These are veins. These veins are carrying the blood towards the heart, but the arteries are deeply situated. Capillaries are the finest vessels in our body, in our circulatory system. They carry deoxygenated and oxygenated blood both. While they are supplying the blood to the cells, that blood is oxygenated, that is coming from the arterioles. And after respiration, the cell diffuse their carbon dioxide into blood. Then this deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood is taken by the capillaries, and this blood is carried by the veins, and these capillaries are made up of single layer endothelial tissue because they have to diffuse carbon dioxide and they have to diffuse oxygen. Because of this diffusion, single layer is required. So single layer will be making it possible to absorb carbon dioxide and to absorb O2 or to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So it makes possible to transport carbon dioxide and oxygen. And the capillaries are spread throughout the body.